And of course main part. As always, you can find a full video of this track called Flaming Trance and links to the project file in the description below the video. And now let's make the melody for the breakdown. I have loaded some preset from my soundbank. I'm going to make the melody with this synth, and then I will remove and recreate it from the scratch. New MIDI clip. Let's start with one bar loop. Eight notes. This time I have to switch to triplet grid. If you don't know what is triplets in the music,